Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z10 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change alarm sound, alarm ringtone in your phone iQOO Z10 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to sounds and vibration. Go to sounds and vibration. Here you will find alarm ringtone. Just click on it. Alarm ringtone. As of now, alarm ringtone is set to fine day. Okay, just click on it so that available tone here, system to ringtone available. Just select anyone. So as of now, it is set to fine day, and I select another one. This one. Okay, and finally I set to sunshine. Okay, so whatever you want, just select from the list. Okay. So just to go back, and that will be now acting as a alarm ringtone. Okay, if you would like to choose custom ringtone, click on alarm ringtone and click on custom ringtone here. You can choose any ringtone here. Okay, so in this way you can easily set or change alarm ringtone in your phone iQOO Z10 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.